안녕, K-researchers. This is Dr. Lily from K-Lab. Today is a day before Seollal. My parents moved to the countryside a few years ago. I and my brother went down to southern of Seoul by train to celebrate the New Year with my parents. All of family used to gather together for New Year's before. But for now, it's not easy to be together because they all married or moved to another place. Because of gathered family members got smaller, it made my New Year's Day simple. It's not special, but I want to show you all spending a Seollal with my family. Let's go! We are having a dinner before we cook for food for tomorrow. It smells very nice.
소금 먼저.